Hi everyone, this is Joanne for the Hip Kit Club. Today I'm going to show you a double page layout using one of the beautiful Hip Kit Club sketches from the Inspiration Center. And this came with the June 24 kits, and that was so exciting to receive 2 sketches. So let's go and get this done. It's going to come out really pretty. Okay guys, so we are going to use this sketch today. It is absolutely beautiful. You have a title, several pieces of pattern paper or cardstock. You can do 2 photos, or you can do a photo and a pocket card or pocket life card or anything. Big circle, some journaling here. There's stitching on the border if you wish, and then it's framed in. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So let's get going. I took these papers and let's see here. I love this background paper. Look at those dots, so pretty. And I did frame it with this beautiful paper. I cut the middle out so I could save the middle of that. And here we go with our circle from one of the pattern papers, and then 2 strips. This one piece of pattern paper in this month's kits had gorgeous stripes on it, and these 2 match perfect, so I'm going to utilize those. I'm going to not use this piece of paper because I don't need it with what I'm going to do, and my title is actually going to go down here. So just remember, if you get a sketch, it's for inspiration and you can alter it however works best for you, your style, and your photos. Okay, so here we go with this. Beautiful. And I used a couple of the Hip Kit Club metal dies from the month. Oh my gosh, they are so cool. So here's the one that I used, and that is, let me make sure I got the right name here, the metal die tag with window. So super cool tag, and you can have a window, you can put confetti, sequins, whatever you want. And then I also used the metal die torn page edge die, which I love. How cool is that? Look it. I'll show you what those look like. I went ahead and made those ahead of time. So here is that. That is so cool. I'm going to use this side from the cardstock kit, and here's this. I put a little twine on it, and I put some acetate in here and just a couple sequins. Isn't that cool? So you just run this through, and then it gives you the fold lines. You bend it over, tape it together, and how pretty is that? We're going to put this circle over here on the right hand side, and then to break up the blues, I'll put the green between these 2 like this, and then I will take these photos. I'm going to put this here, so because she's on the right hand side of the photo, like this, and we'll get proper placement as we go along. I'm not going to be perfect yet because I'm going to bring in the really cool stencil that came with these kits. It's so cool, and we're going to do that. So what I was thinking with this stencil, look how beautiful it is. I've never had a big huge 12 by, I think this is 12 by 4 stencil. It is so cool. It spans the entire width of your 12 by 12 papers. So I'm going to put this on the edge over here, line it up. And then how beautiful would it be to have that peeking out through this like that? So gorgeous. So I'm going to bring in a little bit of ink here. This is not part of the kit. It's in my stash. Distress Oxide in Tumbled Glass, because this color is absolutely perfect for these papers. So I just had to use that. I just get a lot of ink on here. I'll put this here and make sure this is straight. Get this all lined up, and I'm just going to go to the white part. I'm not going to try not to hit the frame part, and then I start on the stencil, so the ink mark isn't super harsh at the beginning, and I'm just gonna let this be what it is, because I think that if it comes out different in each sun ray, it's going to be very, very cool. Okay, so let's get this done. That all glued down now, and I'm going to put several things behind this photo, so let's get that going. I almost glued this down and I went, no wait, this is a tag, really long, from the pocket kit, the pocket card kit, and I love it. Pocket Life, I can't think of the names today. I want to put this, so this line is here, and we can write in the date and the place, and this says highlights from an awesome day, which I totally love. So we're going to put that right there. So let me get some ATG for that. And there's the glue. And I was like, oh no, I almost forgot I want to put a tag behind this. Get too carried away, get all excited to scrapbook and embellish. So hopefully I get this on here straight as possible. There we go. Beautiful. And then what else did I want to do? I want to also put this tag in here. Here is the metal die. I'm going to use the side of the cardstock kit that has the beautiful stripes on it, because I just think it's gorgeous. And I'll lift this up a little bit, tuck this in to make sure I can still see that gorgeous stitching line that comes with that die. This is where the other metal die comes in with this. I was thinking about putting it over here somewheres, and we'll figure out what we're going to do with this later. And then from the beautiful titles, the puffy titles, I'm thinking of Enjoy This. Look at this little bag, so cute. And I just thought the bag would be cute because of course they're into looking pretty in makeup at these ages. Put it like underneath here. Sometimes I just like to use the chipboard frames to decorate the clusters. Maybe do that. And then put, oops, this here, like that. I just think it's super pretty. Okay, I have this glued down, and I really want to use 2 tags, like from the sketch. Let me forget that and show you what I'm referring to. Like that, tabs, I meant, not tags. And I do have this tag though, it's just so pretty, and I want to just put this in here. We'll put it in between the 2 pattern paper layers, and I did staple them together just so they would stay in place of where I wanted them, but I will cover that up with a sentiment. And I'm thinking I really need to get this tag in there because it's gorgeous, so I'm going to cut it in half so I can use it and save the other half or something else because it's so sparkly. I don't want to waste it, right? Okay, let's get this in there. Oh, let me try to lift this up a little bit, get some of the ATG up so I can tuck this properly. Something like that. Let me see how that looks. I love it. And here we go. Put that there. I might put a little something underneath that, a little teeny strip of some thin foam just to support that. Let's decorate this a little bit. They're super cool looking little florals in here. I just want to put a couple in. Look how neat they are. Put this down here, I think. Or maybe I can put this one. Look how cool that one is. It's just different and I love it. I'm going to put this down here just to bring in some more orange, but also a different color. I like that a lot too. Let's go for that. I'll leave the other one to the side because I'm going to use it. So we'll figure out where we're going to put that right away so the glue doesn't dry on it and I can still use it. Okay, a little time tucking this in. There we go. All right, beautiful. All right, let's finish up our little cluster over here. I have some awesome rub-ons from this kit. I think instead of putting this right up against that, I'm going to put it over here a little bit more. And we have puffies in acrylic shapes that you can use like enamel dots. Oh my goodness, I love so much in these kits. It's wonderful. Just a small layer of glue so it doesn't seep out the sides all over the place. And we're going to put this right here. I will use the dots on the paper to try to get this as straight as possible. That looks pretty good. So let's go for that. Okay, let's build this cluster. I have this flower that I was trying to use earlier. So let's get that in here like this. Just put that in there a little bit. That's cute. Then they had some awesome vellum pieces with the silver foiling. Look at that, it's so pretty. I'm going to tuck one of those in here just because it's super pretty. I'll just put a small dollop of glue underneath to secure that, and when it dries you won't be able to see it. I use Scotch tacky glue in case you wanted to know. Then I have a few more pieces over there. This is an arrow that says this, and I want to use that because look how cute this photo is of her. It's just wonderful. Oops. And let's get some glue on that. Put that right over this like it's pointing at her. Like so. That's adorable. Okay, and then I have this one that says Amazing Sights, which looking at these two, that is true. I'm thinking about putting it right here. I want to see how I can get this in here so it looks good. Let's see. Here's a piece with half, I think, sun or something. I'm not sure what the name of that would be, but I'm going to just stick this in here just to get a little bit more silver in around. That looks cute. I have a couple hearts. Let's see where we can get those. I have a dark blue, which will go good with this, and I backed the photos with the dark blue from the cardstock kit because I thought it would really make them pop. I'm not sure where I want these hearts. That looks cute there. We have our awesome rub-ons, our acrylic shapes. So we'll pick out what we want from here. Let's get some puffies if we can, and these are awesome. Look at these. Oh my goodness gracious, I love these. Let's see. All right, let's try to get some of these in. Maybe we can put a silver one down here. Just grab in some more silver. That's beautiful. All those little bits and pieces all over the place. I messed up that rub-on somehow, so I just put a silver heart over it to camouflage my little mishap. But anyways, there you go. Let me bring it in close so you can see all the super cute little things that come with the June kits. It is a travel-based kit, which is super cool if you like to travel, or even if you want to do like a staycation in your own town. There's a lot of things in there that say I love my hometown and things like that, and you can totally use it for that. But I don't really travel, and I was still able to use this kit perfectly well. The papers are absolutely gorgeous. There's an unboxing video on my channel and the Hip Kit Club channel if you would like to see it and check it out. Okay, and Hip Kit Club is a subscription, and you get the kits and the add-on kits at a reduced price if you so choose to join, but you can also purchase without being a subscriber. So if you like this kit, let me know if you have any questions. I'll put close-ups at the end, and all the information is in the description box below that you need to know about the Hip Kit Club. Thank you so much for stopping to see me. And then before we go, let's talk about the sketch again. We use this one. Looking forward to using that one as well. And voila, we have a double page. How cute is that? So there's all 4 kids from the heyday. So I used the alphas from the kit and all the same things, just all I did with this sketch is I did it like this on this side, and then you just go ahead and flip it, flip-flop it, and I did the same thing over here, just in the reverse. Okay, so there's a super cool double page for you. So take your sketch and then flip it, and you can make a nice double page layout. And I love these puffy letters. So again, everything is in the description box below. If you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to help you. Join our Hip Kit Club Facebook page. I will link it below. And thank you for spending some of your time with me. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.